My dear student, in this video I am going to solve some integration problems using by some important results. These are the two results for solving the problems we are going to use now. First result, integral e power ax into sin bx dx equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Similarly, second one is integral e power ax cos bx dx is e power ax by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. This is a sin bx minus b cos bx. This is, if it is cos, you get a cos bx plus b sin bx. If it is sin, it is a sin bx and minus b cos bx. You just remember, if the problem is in sin, answer is in a sin bx. If the problem is in cos, a cos bx. Next one is alternate. Minus, first problem you get minus here, second exercise, second result you get plus here. That's all about the remembrance of the results. So to derive the first result, you consider the problem by I equal to integral e power ax into sin bx dx is I. You consider u by e power ax, so du equal to a e power ax derivative is e power ax into a. Similarly, sin bx dx by dv, by integrating v you get, to get v integrating dv, integral sin bx dx is sin x integration minus cos x, you know. Sin bx is minus cos bx by b divided by b. Well, since it is integration, the constant is in the denominator. Constant should be in the denominator. Now the formula I equal to u e power ax u v is minus cos bx by b, uv minus integral v is minus cos bx by b, du is a into e power ax dx. So uv minus integral v du, that is the formula. Integration by parts is uv minus integral v du. So this is integration by parts. You remember, integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. You use this result. Integral u dv is uv, u into v minus integral v into du. V is minus cos bx by b. Into du is a into e power ax dx. So this is minus e power ax by b into cos bx. This is minus into minus plus integral a by b. You take that a by b as constant out of the integral a by b into integral cos bx into e power ax dx. This is, you consider, you can take that a by b as a common term, constant out of the integral, minus into minus plus integral e power ax into cos bx. Again, this is e power minus e power ax by b cos bx plus a by b into, again this is integral u dv formula. Left hand side you have I, again u dv, u is e power ax, u e power ax, v integral of dv is cos bx dx. Here dv is cos bx dx. So from that v is integral cos bx dx. Integral cos is sin bx by b. So u is e power ax, v sin bx by b. uv minus integral v sin bx by b. du is e power x, ax is a into e power ax. Du is e power x, derivative is a into e power ax dx. So this integration, again by integration by parts, you know, a by b constant, u dv formula, u is e power ax, dv is cos bx dx. From that b is sin bx by b minus integral b sin bx by b into du is a into e power x dx. Okay. Next, left hand side you have I, the given problem. This is minus e power ax by b into cos bx plus a by b. If you take this denominator b outside, you will get a by b square. A by b square into e power ax sin bx. A by b square into e power ax sin bx, again plus into minus minus. Here one a is again outer one a, you have a into a square by b into b square. If you bring it a inside a square and b into b square, so minus a square by b square into e power ax. A is taken out, that will e power ax into sin bx dx. See, this is integral e power ax sin bx dx is again I. This is our problem I. Therefore, this is, you can take minus e power ax by b cos bx plus a by b square e power ax sin bx minus a square by b square into I. This is problem I. E power ax sin bx dx is I. You bring this minus a square by b square I to the left hand side, you will get I plus a square by b square into I equal to, you take that e power x by b square, you can take it as a common term. E power x is common in both the terms. E power x by b square, if you take b square common. E power x by b square. If you take e power x by b square, common you get a sin bx. A sin bx. Here minus, if you take e power x by b square, only b is here. There is no b. The denominator, multiply denominator and numerator by b, you will get b square. So numerator b cos bx. You multiply the numerator by b, you get b cos bx. Denominator by b, you get b square. So a sin bx minus b cos bx term will become, that is plus c. Again by taking I as a common term, you will get 1 plus a square by b square into I equal to, that is the same term, e power x by b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. A sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Okay? Now this is by taking left hand side b square as LCM, you will get the result. That's all. Listen, if you take b square as a common LCM in the left hand side, you will get, if you take b square as LCM, you will get a square plus b square into I equal to e power ax by b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Cancelling b square on both sides, and you bring this a square plus b square to the denominator of the right hand side, you will get the result. I equal to, bring this term here, e power ax by a square plus b square cancel. So a square plus b square, e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx plus b cos bx. So from this step, we will get the result, because you bring cancelling b square on both sides, you will get I equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. That's our result. Okay? So from this, if you cancel b square on both sides and you bring to the right level a square plus b square to the left hand side, from left to right, it becomes the denominator of the right hand side. That is I equal to e power x by a square plus b square into a sin bx plus b cos bx. That's our result. Okay? Next, using this result, I am going to solve one problem. It is evaluate integral e power 3x into sin 2x dx. Here e power ax into sin bx, a equal to 3, b equal to 2. You just substitute these values in the result you will get. So integral e power 3x sin 2x dx equal to e power ax by e power ax is e power 3x by a square plus b square, 3 square plus 2 square, a square plus b square into a sin bx, a is 3, 3 sin 2x, a sin dx minus b is 2, 2 cos 2x, b cos bx, b is 2, b cos bx plus c. Again 9, a square, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 4, 9 plus 4 13, therefore you will get e power x by 13 into 3 sin 2x minus 2 cos 2x, a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. So that's all about this problem. Using this result, we have solved the problem. Okay. Similarly, we are going to derive the second result, and using the second result, I am going to solve one more problem in our next video. Okay.